Hello guys, what is going on? Techroomuk here. So for today's video we're going to have a look at the Vertagear SL3800 gaming chair. This is the box of it. As you can see, it's a quite big box. It weighs 27.5 kilograms. That's the gross weight of the product. So S-line gaming chair, SL3800. Vertagear is the brand. Basically, I wanted to show you the box. It's a bit messed up because of the shipping, but nevertheless the chair is inside. So what I am going to do, I am going to get the chair out, assemble it, and I'm gonna show you how the chair looks and what accessories you get and whatever else you get in the box. So yeah, let's go ahead and open it up. And I'm gonna start assembling it. Okay guys, so I have assembled the chair. This is how it looks like. So we got some type of material. It feels like Alcantara, and this one feels like leather, but it's not real leather and real Alcantara. It's just a soft material, and on the sides is like this vegan leather or something. We get neck pad. It's a memory foam neck pad. It's quite good. I like the quality of it. We get these arms. So they're not 4D arms, but they're 3D. So they adjust back and forth like this, and up and down. You can also do this. It depends of your position. Yeah, overall it's a great chair. It feels amazing. The back support is great. It's as you can see, it's a bit bumpy, so you don't need an extra pillow or something. Overall it feels great. In the box we had like some instructions and warranty, whatever, Allen key, lint roller to clean the Alcantara bit of the chair. I keep saying Alcantara, it's actually a material. This is the back of the chair, Vertagear. I like these two stitched lines. They look really great. Let me get close to that. It just adds to the design on the back rather than have it like a simple black back. Yeah, in my opinion the white and black combination looks really great. This is how it looks without the cushion. You can adjust it. It goes up and down, usual gaming chair. Yeah, overall it's a nice chair. It's a nice looking chair. I don't know if it's worth the money. I think for this kind of money you can buy something else little bit better. What I don't like is the armrest, because on my other chair, let me show you, this is a chair I got from Amazon. You can adjust it in so many directions, and it can even slide like this. So you can slide like this and this to adjust your arms. You can go back and forth, you can go up and down, and you can also do this. So yeah, it's definitely, this one definitely has better arms. But apart from that, I think this one is more comfortable. Of course, in the first few weeks you need to just sit on it and let it get used to your body, and you'll get used to it. It's a bit weird going from another gaming chair to a new one, but yeah, overall it's a good chair, solid. Also this star base, it's made out of metal. This one is made out of plastic, so you can see like a little bit better quality. The piston is decent enough. The reclining function is great as well. You can recline it all over to the back. That one goes more, you can lay it like 180 degrees. This one goes like 150 or something like that, but it's still decent enough if you want to take a nap or something. Yeah, overall it's a great chair. I will try find it on Amazon, and I'm gonna link it into the description below. So if you guys wanna buy it at the best price, just click the link in the description. Again, Vertagear SL3800 chair, great chair. It's about $400, or it depends. You can find it on offer for for about 300 or 280 sometimes. But yeah, overall it's a great chair. I like it. I like the aesthetics looks of it. White and black, it's just good enough for me. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching. Let me give you a shot like this. Hopefully you don't break your neck. And yeah, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.